Hi everyone, welcome to Calculus Made Simple by Dr. C, and that's me. I have a new set of videos out to teach you the essentials of Calc 101. You will learn what to expect, how to do it, and be prepared for success in your Calc 101 class. Watch my videos. In Lesson 1, we're going to talk about limits, the practical aspect of them. We're going to talk about derivatives, and we're going to talk about integrals. Please click the like button to get more content and essential tutorials. Limits are a way to say what happens when we adjust a variable towards some value. Consider the expression y is equal to x, or we write it as f of x is equal to x. It's a line intercepting the origin. So looking to the left, we see as x approaches 0, so does y, or f of x. So we write this as limit as x approaches 0 of f of x is equal to 0. We use the limit sign LIM with the variable below it with an arrow, meaning approaching the value of interest. Equation 1.0a reads as the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 is equal to 0. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We presented conceptual and mathematical explanation. Simply apply the formulas with the information in the problem-solving statements to get your answers. Check out our teaching assistant problem-solving sessions. And if you like this content, found it useful, please click the like button and subscribe as well. And check out subsequent lessons in the links below. Thanks for watching.